Alright guys, hopefully you can kind of see. We've actually, so far this year, we've had a bunch of people wanting to use some of this for garden fertilizer or flower beds. So we've actually been able to get a bunch of this out of here. Kind of been picking through the middle. The older stuff's back here to my right. You can see other videos where I did that. Some of the newer stuff's over here. So what I'm going to do right now is try not to run into anything with the backhoe because it's still on the tractor. But get everything piled and kind of mix it all back together and get it up in one pile so that in case anybody else needs anything, it's ready to go. So here we go. Let's watch the kubota work. Alright guys, other than an extremely, I don't know, not too dirty tractor, we got, I spun everything and flipped it around, and now we got everything pushed back in here. It's just kind of what it happens, and then you get some dirt mixed in with it because as the ground gets soft. But we still have a decent sized pile here that you know, if people need it, they can garden away, or flower bed, or whatever they want to use it for. If you've seen some of the other stuff that was back in there, it was actually decomposed quite nicely. So what this means now is we're going to use the tractor for something else. We can clean it off. We're going to do a little bit of digging in the dirt today, and maybe we'll share some of that with you guys. Hey, thanks for watching. My battery's about ready to say goodbye on this camera. So like, subscribe, you know, the good stuff. See ya.